All right, good morning, everyone. I am going to call it a day here. I traded very late today, and there are two things going against me. I was out of my routine, so I was in the office a bit late. Oh, by the way, it's going to be an $18 recap, which is, at least it's green. I can buy lunch with it. Um, so I traded COUR and IWM options. Now, COUR wasn't a part of the morning strategy this morning. That's because my trade ideas account was quote expired end quote, but that's not actually the case. I needed to go in and do and confirm my exchange agreements that I'm not a professional trader. I do this as a part of my own, portfolio, and I'm not trading anybody else's money, and so on and so on. Not advising any trades or anything. So when I straightened that out, I think it was after the morning bell had already rung. And I saw COUR and OTIS up. So I took a trade, and both of these actually would have provided trades if I had had them up pre-market. During my pre-market strategy session, I would have had both of these on watch and probably had some levels on each of them for an entry. But being that I got in late and that I didn't have my trade ideas software set up, I wound up just taking one trade, and it was on. I put a Fibonacci from this morning's open to yesterday's close, and got this $47.09 level that I did take an entry on. And you can see I entered it on this candle right here, this red candle right here, and then it popped up to past almost to two Fibonacci levels higher, and then dropped back down. So I dumped it on this drop back down, but you can see later on after that, it did a pretty good run. So if I'd stayed with the 40, it only traded 100 shares on top of that. So I got 20 cents on 100 shares, which was just slightly less than $20, $19.67 gain on those 100 shares. I didn't have a high degree of confidence because I was just really doing this on the fly. Didn't really have enough time to go back and look at the action. It's a new stock. This actually is probably, this will be interesting. I think I'm going to keep this one on the watch list. So the next, Otis came right into a support level that I had, but it just, I didn't have enough time to really prepare this morning. So, I get to, come in on time tomorrow. I don't have any children going to a dentist appointment tomorrow or anything. So, and then OCGN actually did a little bit better than I was expecting. I was really expecting this one when I first take a look at it, do something like this and then just kind of down for the rest of the day. It's had a little bit of a breakout right here from over 1163 to as high as 1240. There's some money there to grab, and it gave an entry here too. After this dip down, it closed here, and this next candle made a move over. So I mean, it was fairly predictable there. Two really decent entries on OCGN. And then the small caps. Let's see. I think I didn't come anywhere close to trading these. So a psychological level of $10 on SJ, which it's I don't really see any trades going on in this pattern. And then ASPN, I don't know why it popped up as high as it did to this 21.95 level, but the level 2 wasn't showing anything. I'm glad I didn't try and play levels on this, because the level 2 didn't have these prices anywhere near 1945 or 1936. The level 2 wasn't showing that at all this morning. So, okay, yeah, kind of a non-trading day. So I'm going to call it a day here and come back tomorrow and see if I can get some good trades in. Good luck out there, everybody. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. Out.